So it's late September. I'm up in Harriman State Park in New York. This is the first time I've been able to hike since the end of March. I had an injury. I was recovering from the injury, but I finally got permission from my physician to start hiking again. So, I'm up here. Unfortunately, first day I'm here, it's raining pretty hard at the moment. But I have my rain gear on, and we are going to give it a shot. So. The rain's letting up a little bit. So, actually it's surprising how many people I've seen so far already. Rain kind of gets heavy. Then lets up, it's let up a little bit at the moment. But it's nice to be out. This is a relatively flat part of this little trail. This is the Dutch Doctor shelter. I'm going to take a little break in it before I start heading out. So I'm sitting in the shelter, just had a little break and getting ready to start heading back. This is just going to be an in and out. It was about 2 miles here and 2 miles back. Really the purpose of this was just to check out my ankle, see how it's been recovering. And so far, so good. I've always liked this rock. Looks like a face to me. I don't know if you can see it, but I certainly do. So I'm back in the car. It was a good test of my ankle to see how it survived, and it seems fine. Easy hike. It was like, 3.6 or 3.7 miles. Rained most of the way. Towards the end, I did take the umbrella off because the rain had stopped, but now as I'm back in the car, it's raining again. And all in all, it was a nice day. Nice to be back up in Harriman.